Hello everyone. Today we will see how to write version constraints in Composer.json. So are the many different ways where we can how we can write version constraints. The first one is writing the exact version of a package. So if you are specifying an exact version of the package, then the exact version will be installed. And if suppose any other dependencies require a version upgrade or any different version, then it won't allow and the version upgrade would fail. The second option is to specify a range of versions using operators. In that case, you can use the operators like greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. And also you can separate these ranges using space, using comma. Also you can use pipe symbol. The comma and space operators are considered as logical and pipe symbol is considered as logical or. So if you see the examples, it's like greater than or equal to 1.0 allows all the values which are all the versions which are greater than 1.0. And if you are specifying the versions greater than or equal to 1.0, space less than or equal to less than 0, less than 2.0, then it is greater than or equal to 1.0 and less than 2.0. And in case this statement will be read as greater than or equal to 1.0 and less than 1.1 or greater than or equal to 1.2. The other way is to use hyphens to specify a set of versions. So if you're using 1.2, 1.0 hyphen 2.0, then it implies all the values which are greater than or equal to 1.0 and less than 2.1. Similarly, in case of 1.0.0 hyphen 2.1.0 is equivalent to all the versions which are greater than or equal to 1.0.0 and less than or equal to 2.0.0. Now, in case of a wildcard version range, you can use asterisks. Like you can specify all the versions from 1.0.0, 1.0.9 using asterisks like this 1.0 asterisk. The other way is to use tilde symbol. So in tilde symbol, it actually upgrades to the next minor version. So if it is using tilde 1.2, this means that you are specifying that all the versions which are greater than 1.2 and less than 2.0.0. And if suppose you are using the patch version as well, then using in the tilde with a tilde symbol, then in that case it specifies all the versions which are greater than or equal to that particular version and less than the minor version. Got it? The next minor version. Okay. Then we can use caret symbol to specify the version. In this case, you can specify that caret 1.2.0 will be equivalent to all the versions which are greater than or equal to this version and the next major version. If suppose you are using caret symbol for the prior versions to 1.0, then in that case it just upgrades to it just gives the values or the versions which are prior to the next minor version. So if it is caret 0.3, then this implies that it is a set of values or a set of versions which are greater than or equal to 0.3.0 and less than 0.4.0. Similarly, in case of caret 0.0.3, it implies that all the values which are greater than or equal to 0.0.3 and less than 0.0.4. I think everything is clear in this video. Thank you.